Very good evening. Hi everyone, very good evening. So this is the video I already informed to everyone how to manage exam time. I started a little early because many students they said they are busy 5 to 6. So I started just now at 4:45 only. So how to manage the exam time? How to manage time in second PC board exam? The complete guidance I can give to you, dear student. Next 20-25 minutes I will take it. So please listen very carefully from the beginning, and also you can interact with me in the live session by sending message in the chat box. So I will explain to you in the examination. Hi Akshita. In the examination, in the board examination, very good evening. In the board examination, hi Hemant. 3 hours mathematics exam is there, 100 marks paper. If you see the other subjects like physics, chemistry, biology and computer science, you have only 70 marks and they are giving the 3 hours. So this time you are lucky that first exam they given Kannada and the second exam they are giving the mathematics. So Kannada also 100 marks paper, even mathematics also 100 marks paper. So unfortunately we have very less time. After Kannada we have only 1 day for mathematics. So in this video, what I am supposed to say, hi Likit. So what I am supposed to inform to you everybody is how to manage the time in the examination. This is a very, very important discussion. In this video, what I am suggesting to you, what I am informing to you is how to manage the time in the examination, and also how to balance the extra questions, the choice questions, how to manage the choice question in the examination. Both we can discuss. So how to manage the choice questions in the examination, as well as how to manage the time. Each 5 marks, 6 marks, 1 mark, 2 marks, 3 marks, how to manage the time, as well as how to write the choice questions, as well as how to recheck your answer script. About these issues I will discuss now this video. Everybody, if you are interested, you can interact with me also. You can ask your doubt. If any doubt is there, you can ask me in the middle of the session in the chat box. Don't worry. If you like this video, use the like button also. Now dear students, so in the examination of mathematics, first we can start with which marks? 5 marks, 3 marks, 2 marks, 1 mark and 6 marks is there. So as my point of view, the students who want to score 100 out of 100 marks in mathematics, you can start the exam with the 5 marks only first. What I am saying you, if a student want to score 100 out of 100 marks in the final examination, you can start with first 5 marks. Because you know, dear students, no, Akshita, it is no order to write in a sorry. But 5 marks once you started, dear students, why I am not suggesting 1 mark means out of 10 questions in 1 mark, maybe 1 or 2 questions little tough is there. Because of thinking that one, you are spoiling other sections. So dear students, if you want to score 100 out of 100, first you can start with 5 marks. Now there is a question. Sir, 5 marks we need to answer only 6 questions. Lucky you know 8 questions answers. Then can you write all the 8 questions, or you can write only 6 questions? My dear students, you attend only 6 questions. Don't write 8 questions. Don't write choice questions in the middle, in the beginning. Choice questions you can write always at last. Don't write in the middle. First you write the 5 marks questions, only 6 questions. Perfectly right. You know, very dear students, every students who are aiming for 40 marks, 70 marks, 100 marks, everyone you are thorough with the 5 mark questions. I know. So my dear students, you can write all the 5 mark questions All means not all 8 or 10, only 6 questions you need to attend. No, all those 6 questions you can write first. So first you can start the exam paper with 5 marks question. Okay. Then what you can write? Then dear students, you can write with the 10 marks 6 and 4. Either LPP and continuity question or LPP or determinant question. Okay. Hi Nandishwarupa. So first you finish the 5 mark question, then immediately you can go for the 10 mark question. 10 mark question means 6 plus 4. I will say how much time you can spend for 5 marks. Dear students, for writing one 5 mark questions, it is required 8 minutes. Okay. 8 minutes is required for writing the one 5 mark questions. You can write or hardly 6 8s or 48 minutes. So 48 minutes you can finish 5 mark questions. And for writing 10 marks, that means the 6 mark question, it is required 8 minutes, and 4 mark question it required 4 minutes. 8 plus 4 is 12 minutes. So within 1 hour of the examination, you can finish 40 marks. I repeat one more time, for writing one 5 mark question, it is required how many minutes? For writing one 5 mark question, dear students, you required 8 minutes. 6 8s are 48 minutes, you can finish the 5 marks. As well as for writing the 10 mark question, it requires 12 minutes maximum. So 48 plus 12, in 60 minutes you can finish. In the first 1 hour of the examination, you can finish how many marks? 40 marks. Understand, dear students? I repeat one more time, the students who are following the online video, you can message in the chat box. For 5 mark questions, how much time is required? For writing one 5 mark question, how much time you need to spend? Please type in the chat box. How much time is required? 8 minutes for each question. So 6 8s are 48 minutes, and for 10 mark question, you can spend 12 minutes. So yes, dear students. Yes, dear students. So 8 plus 12 plus 48, in 60 minutes you can finish 40 marks. Now after finishing 5 marks as well as 10 marks, dear students, you can go for 1 mark. So within 1 hour you got 40 marks. The pass, everybody passed. Everybody passed within 1 hour. Now you, after finishing 5 marks, next 10 marks, after that you can start with 1 mark. Dear student, 1 mark you have 10 questions. For finishing each 1 mark question, it requires less than 2 minutes. That means 1.5 minutes or 2 minutes. Hi Akash. So for 1 mark questions, you can require 20 minutes enough. My suggestion, within 15 minutes only you can finish the 1 mark question. Okay. Now 1 mark questions after 5 marks, 10 marks, 10 marks after 1 mark. So 1 hour 15 minutes over, you finished how many marks? 50 marks. Understand, dear students? First to 5 marks within 48 minutes, 10 marks 12 minutes, 1 mark you can finish in 15 minutes. So 1 hour 15 minutes you completed 50 marks, half of the paper. After that you can start with 2 mark questions. That and all I will discuss with you later, Akshita. Now I am discussing only exam time. Okay. How to balance the time in the examination only I am discussing. So now, dear students, we will move to the 2 mark questions. So for finishing 1 2 mark questions, it requires minimum 3 minutes. 3 minutes you can spend for finishing 1 2 mark questions, dear students. So you need to answer only 10 questions. Don't write the choice question now. Choice questions will write at last. Now 10 into 3 minutes. 30 minutes. 30 minutes you can finish the 10 2 mark questions. Already 1 hour 15 minutes completed. Now you are spending 30 minutes, means 1 hour 45 minutes completed. How many marks you attended? Anybody? 1 hour 45 minutes completed. How many marks you attended in the examination? How many marks you attended, everybody? Please answer in the chat box. How many marks we completed? $70 marks, correct? Because 5 marks 30 completed, 10 marks 1 question completed, 1 mark 10 completed, 50 plus 2 marks 10 completed, 10 2s are 20, 50 plus 20, 70 marks completed, dear students. Within 1 hour 45 minutes, you completed the 70 marks. Now, after finishing 2 marks, you can go with the 3 mark questions. How much time you need to spend for 3 marks, dear students? For each 3 mark questions, you can spend 4 minutes. 10 fours are 40 minutes. 10 fours are 40 minutes. That means 1 hour 45 minutes completed plus 45 minutes. So how much time completed? 2 hours 25 minutes. 2 hours 25 minutes completed. So 2 hours 25 minutes completed. You completed your mathematics answer script for 100 marks. Okay? Understand what I am saying? Five marks 48 minutes. 10 marks 12 minutes. 1 mark 15 minutes. 2 marks you can finish in 30 minutes. 10 3s are 30. 4 marks you can finish in 50 minutes. 3 marks you can finish in 50 minutes means 10 3s are 10 4s are 40 minutes. 40 minutes means, so 2 hours 15 minutes already completed. 2 hours 45 minutes. 1 hour 45 plus 40 minutes means 2 hours 25 minutes completed now. So still you have 35 minutes with you. What to do with this 35 minutes? Hi Akash. So what to do with this 35 minutes time means, dear students, 5 marks you didn't write choice. 2 5 mark question choice questions you write. 2 2 mark question choice you write. 2 3 mark question choice you write. 10 marks don't write the choice. My voice is clearly audible to everybody. So for writing 2 5 mark questions, how much time it is required? How much time it is required? 15 minutes is required. For writing 3 marks, 8 minutes required. 16 plus 8, 24. For writing 2 marks, 6 minutes required. 24 plus 6, 30 minutes completed. And the 5 minutes what we need to do means 2 hours 25 minutes completed. No. After that 5 minutes you need to cross check your answer script. Once you cross check your answer script, you can identify 100% your own mistakes. Maybe 5 mark question, 1 question you did wrong. Maybe 2 mark question, 1 question you did wrong. Maybe 3 mark question, 1 question you did wrong. So anyway you are writing 2 questions extra 5 marks, 2 questions extra 2 marks, 2 questions extra 3 marks. Then what will happen? If you did 2 questions wrong also, the choice questions will cover you and you will get 100 out of 100 marks. So dear students, what is the order you need to follow in the final examination to score 100 out of 100 marks? First, which question you write? Everybody, please answer to me. First, which questions you write and how much time you need to spend? Both you can say. First, which questions you write? 5 mark questions you write. And how much time you need to spend? 48 minutes. Okay. Next, which questions you write? 10 mark questions. How much time you need to spend? Only 12 minutes. Within 1 hour of the examination, you can finish 40 marks. Then you can go with the 1 mark questions. 1 mark questions you can finish in 15 minutes. So 1.5 minutes enough for writing each 1 mark question. Because some questions they will write directly. Within 1 minute only some questions you can answer. So after finishing 1 mark questions, you can start with 2 mark question. 10 2 mark questions you can write in 30 minutes. Each 2 mark question you can spend 3 minutes. 10 3s are 30 minutes. Okay. Next, dear students, you can spend time for 3 marks. How much time you need to spend for 3 marks means 10 4s are 40 minutes you write for 3 marks. Okay. So total within 2 hours 25 minutes you can finish your examination. 5 minutes you can cross check your answer script. Then again you write the 2 5-mark questions, 2 2-mark question, 2 3-mark question. Order you don't forget. 5 marks, 2 marks, 3 marks. Okay. 5 marks, 2 marks, 3 marks. When you are writing the choice question, because 1 mark you don't have choice, 1 mark already you completed. Okay. So this is the order you need to follow. Definitely, dear students, you will get 100 out of 100 marks in second PUC. So dear student, I think this session is more useful for you. So anybody not attended this session, please go through this video. So I wish you all the best for your second year PUC examination. You can follow this order and you can spend this time only particularly. For 5 marks, you can spend 8 minutes. And for 3 marks, each question you can spend for 4 minutes. And 2 marks, you can spend only for 3 minutes. And 1 mark, you can spend 1.5 minutes. And for 10 marks, you can spend for 12 minutes. 8 plus 4. So like this, if you follow in the final examination, definitely dear student, you will get 100% full out of full marks. I wish you all the best for your students for second PUC examination. Please share this video to your friends who are not attending live session. Any doubts are there after listening this video, please comment in the chat box. I wish you all the best. And dear students, the last minute crash course also we are planning to start. If anybody interested, please WhatsApp to me or call back to me directly. I will inform about the crash course. That's it, today's class. Today's video about the exam time. Dear student, please share to your friends. Please subscribe PK Maths channel. I didn't take much time because 15 minutes video is enough, 16 minutes video is enough for the students to listen. If I take more time, you are not interested to listen. So this 15 minutes video, you can finish completely how to spend the time in the examination for each and every mark. Okay. That's it. Dear student, yes, Akshita, thank you. I wish you all the best for your examination. Yours PK signing off. Bye-bye.